Hello friends, good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the MDS. MDS means multi-domain server. As we did the practical in CCSA, two-tier and three-tier installation in which we required one server and one firewall for every office. If we have 10 offices, then we require 10 management server, 10 checkpoint firewall and 10 smart dashboard. After that we can make the security. Now in MDS feature, checkpoint come out to reduce the load of every management server. Checkpoint is a first company that introduced virtualized in 2001. In MDS, we can virtualize management server just like VMware. Physically, we will use only one machine, but logically, we will segregate this physical machine to a multiple virtual machine. For example, we have 3 sites in different countries. To reduce the cost of management server, we can implement MDS server. We will use one management server and divided it into 3 management server. One policy that is install one management server will be totally separate other virtual management server. Physically this is one management server and they will use separate smart dashboard console and every console is separate to other smart dashboard console. Benefits. There are some benefits of MDS. Number 1, reduce cost. With the help of MDS, we can reduce the cost of infrastructure in our company. Before implementing MDS, we require 3 management servers, but after MDS, we need to purchase only one management server. Number 2, manpower resources saving. Before implementing MDS, we required minimum 3 engineers to take care of management servers. After that implementing of MDS, only one engineer can take care of 3 management servers. Space saving. We require temperature maintained space for server and firewall. If we have 100 sites in all over the world, then we require 100 servers as well as we need temperature maintained space to put these servers. When we use MDS, we don't require too much space for this server because we can use virtualization and can reduce the number of servers. Now you can see the scenario. According to scenario, we have to make the setup. After that, we'll be able to do this practical. You can see here, this is our scenario. According to scenario, we require one MDS server, one smart domain manager, 3 firewalls, 3 inside 2003 server and 3 outside 2003 server. At least we require one MDS, one smart domain manager, one London inside, one Dubai inside, one Japan inside, one London firewall, one Dubai firewall, one Japan firewall, one London outside 2003 server, one Dubai outside 2003 server and one Japan outside 2003 server. After creating, you can see here we are going to start VMware. After that First of all, we start Windows 7 machine. After that, start one GaiA machine for MDS 1. You can see here. After that, power on this virtual machine. You can see here. First of all, log in it. According to scenario, first of all, we have to start one London firewall. It has been started. Now we have to start GaiA firewall. Now you can see here. At last we have to start Japan firewall. Similarly, we have to start London inside 2003 server. After that, you can see here 2003 has been started. Now we are going to start London outside 2003 server. Now it has been started. Now we are going to start Windows 7 and see here. First of all, we have to start a Smart Domain Manager. You can see once again. See here. Now open Internet Explorer. And run https command for every machine. Now start the Smart Domain Manager. After that, you can see here a Smart Domain Manager has been started. Now Now go to domain contents. You can see here there are three options in left pane: domain contents, multi-domain server contents, and network objects. First of all, we have to do the configuration of MDS, and we are going to set a range of IP address for virtual domain. So we are going to put 192.168.1.11 to 192.168.1.15. Now click on OK. Now select domain contents. After that, multi-domain security manage. You can see here. Now right click on multi-domain security manage. After that, click on next. Enter name of the domain as London office. After that, click on next. After that, click on add. Next. Now you can click on get IP address. Select get IP address from the range. It is already selected 192.168.1.11. Now click on OK. Yes. Now it has been completed. In real time scenario, it will take more times. Now see here. Now click on yes. Now click on close. Now you can see here London office has been created. Now we are going to create another domain. Similar as we have to click on domain contents. After that, multi-domain security manage. See here. Select multi-domain security manage. Next, after that, enter name of the domain, Dubai-office. After that, click on next and click on add host, and next select get IP address and get IP address from the range. It takes 192.168.1.12. After that, click on next. Now click on yes. Again click on yes. You can see here London office and Dubai office has been created. Now we are going to create third one, new domain contents. Enter name of the domain. Enter name of the domain Japan-office. After that, press next. After that, click on add. Next. After that, select get IP address from the range and click next. Now click on finish. You can see here after that, press on yes. Again press yes. Now you can see here all three domain has been created: London office, Dubai office and Japan office. It will start one by one. You can see here Dubai office and Japan office has been started. Now log in MDS and check the status of all domain contents. So we are going to apply this command MDS start and press enter. Now you can see here all three domain management server started. Now apply one more command MDS status, MDS stat, and see here you can see once again apply MDS state. Now you can see here all three domain has been started. Now select London office. After that, select launch application and select a smart dashboard. You can see here, this is similar a smart dashboard as you did in CCSA or CCSE practical, similar as a smart dashboard, just like 3-tier or 2-tier installation architecture. Now see here, once again click on checkpoint, again checkpoint. After that, select security gateway management, select classic mode. Once again see here, checkpoint, security gateway management. After that, select classic mode. You can see, enter name of the firewall, and IP address 192.168.1.101. After that, select any color for identification. After that, click on communication, enter OTP which was generated. After that, click on initialization. Now you can see here, trust has been established. After that, click on OK. Again close this window. Now click on close. After that, go to topology and select internal and external. Now we are going to select external interface. You can see here, select topology. After that, select external and click on OK. Now it became external. Ethernet 0 is internal and Ethernet 1 is external. Now we are going to create policy. Enter name of the policy. Just like permit ICMP. After that, source. There is no source, so we require to create a source, internal network and external network. Now cancel this window. After that, now we are going to create networks. So right click on network. After that, select network, enter name of the network, London inside. Enter network address 192.168.1.0 and net mask 255.255.255.0. After that, select color as you did in checkpoint. After that, we are going to create external network object. So enter name of the external object, London outside, and network address of outside. (204.15.15.0). After that, net mask 255 dot 255.255.0 and select color blue. After that click on OK. Now you can select source and select London inside. London inside. After that click on OK. Destination is London outside. So we have to select London outside from the range, and you have to leave VPN any traffic. After that select service, select ICMP Proto, and action required accept and log. After that click on close button. You can see here. Now login 2003 server inside and enter IP address as given in diagram. You can select you can see here. Two 204.15.15. Now once again we have to start London outside. Once again now click OK. Now right click on my network. After that property and select internet protocol TCP/IP version 4. And property. After that enter IP address 204.15.1. After that net mask and enter default gateway address 204.15.15.101. After that click on OK. Now close and close this window. Now apply ping command 204.15.15.1 space -t and enter. You can see here there is no reply, so we are going to set VMnet. Now select VMnet 2 for inside. VMnet 2 inside. reply is not coming. Now go to setting and do setting of VMnet. Select VMnet 3 for outside network. This is main point. You have to remember VMnet should be proper, otherwise you will be not able to do this practical. So you can see here reply is not coming. Once again you can see here absolutely fine. Now check outside, it is also fine. Now select 2003 internal inside. After that once again apply ping command. Two 204.15.15.1 space -t. You can see here reply is not coming. Once again check IP address. It was wrong. Now it became okay. You have to change 204.15.15. 192.168.1.51 and net mask. After that gateway address 192.168.1.101. After that click on OK. Now close this window. You can see after changing the IP address reply is coming. One part of this practical has been done. There are 3 domain contents. Similarly we have to do another one practical. Now you can see here now close this windows and start another one firewall, Dubai firewall. This was London firewall. Now we are going to start Dubai firewall. So you have to select Dubai office. After that click on launch application and select a smart dashboard. Similarly we have to perform another part of this domain. You can see here. After that, click on approve. Now Dubai office has been opened. This is the dashboard of Dubai office. Now click on Check Point. After that, again Check Point, Security Gateway Management. Now enter name of firewall. You can put Dubai firewall. After that, IP address 192.168.1.102 and click on communication. After that, click on close button. Now enter name of the network, Dubai outside. And Dubai inside. After that, enter network address, netmask 255.255.255.0. Now create a policy. After that, click on edit. Enter name of the policy. Permit ICMP. Source is Dubai inside. And destination is Dubai outside. After that, service ICMP proto. And action accept. After that, track log and click on install policy. After that, click on OK. You can see Policy has been installed. Now set VMnet for 2003 server. You can see here. Now we are going to use previous 2003 server, but we are going to change the name of this 2003 server as Dubai Inside 2003 according to diagram. Now go to setting and see here to change another 2003 server Dubai Outside 2003 server. After that, according to scenario, we have to change the IP address Dubai Inside and Dubai Outside. Now press Ctrl Alt and Del and click on Yes. After that, select network address, local area network, property, TCP/IP version 4. Now we have to change IP address 192.168.52 and default gateway 102. After that, click on Close button and close all windows. After that, apply ping command 204.15.15.2 space -T and press enter. You can see here reply is not coming. Now open 2003 server and log in it. After that, change IP address. Right click on local area network, TCP/IP version 4 and select enter IP address according to scenario 204.15.15.2 and net mask same, but the IP address of default gateway should be changed 204.15.15.102. After that, click on close this window and see here. Now reply is coming. It means second part of this practical has been done. Similarly, we have to do third part of this practical. According to this diagram, we have to open a smart domain manager for Japan office, and according to scenario, we have to use one 2003 server, one Japan firewall and one 2003 outside server. We have to change the IP address according to scenario and open a smart dashboard and pass the traffic from inside to outside. It will pass the traffic according to this diagram. Thank you.